Hello friends, in this video I will show how to write at in laptop. So easy and simple way to write at the rate. Just you have to press shift plus 2. So press shift plus number 2 key on keyboard. So you can type this one like this. So this is the first method. Second method, open any browser like Chrome. Here just you have to type at the rate and press enter. So in search result guys, you will see at the rate symbol. Just copy that, just copy it and paste in your document in Microsoft Word, Excel, or any way you want to use it, like this. And if your physical keyboard is not working, so click on start and search here OSK on screen keyboard. Open it and here you can type. Just guys, you have to press shift plus 2 like this. And in some keyboard like UK keyboard, you can type at by pressing shift plus this key. This is the US keyboard, but if you are using UK keyboard, so press shift plus this key. And also guys, so this is the way guys you can write at the rate in a laptop. Thanks for watching. And guys, if you are trying to press shift plus 2 and at the rate is not appear there, so you can fix easily. Just you have to change your keyboard layout in your Windows system. I will give link in description, so check out that video. I will show you how to change your keyboard. So once you select US keyboard layout, so you can type at the rate by pressing shift plus 2. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not. And guys, if you have any query or questions, so comment. I will try to reply it.